So do y'all remember that laundry room that we just cleaned? Yeah, I don't either. When they came to pick up my truck, this is the stuff that we had to take out of it that I never took out from when we moved from the apartment. Also, those are the bags of giveaway clothes that the person never picked up from Facebook, so I'm gonna have to go take those somewhere and donate them. We have a leaking bag of charcoal over there in the garbage, some balls, and a random broken umbrella. So, and more laundry. So I need to get this cleaned off so I can get this laundry room back like it was. Okay, so I got all of that stuff put up. I am leaving those clothes over there so they don't get into the house with all of the animal hair flying around. I have the towels in the washer and then one more load. I did take the charcoal out to the shed, and again I saved y'all the details for the litter box, but I cleaned that out, so it's almost back to brand new.
I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stayed too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay all night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger.
My sister found my youngest son a desk with drawers on the side to put his PlayStation and TV on, and then of course we would use the drawers for his clothes. He doesn't have a dresser right now, so I was able to get my little breakfast nook back out of his room, so I put it in here, and for now I'm going to use it to like fold clothes and stuff on. Hopefully it will not become a catch-all station. I will try to make sure that doesn't happen. I'm eventually going to look for some type of laundry room picture that will fit over that, and then you'll already know that I want to put something there to hold like the broom and the mop and stuff. So I've got a load coming out of the washer and dryer, and the load out of the washer into the dryer is the last load of laundry I have for today. So the laundry room is back clean. I've got Batman's food over here now.
Take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
Period.
So for dinner tonight, I picked up some of these spinach wraps because I really want to do a buffalo chicken wrap. I have some of this chopped romaine lettuce. My youngest son, who is normally the only one that I have to feed for dinner, isn't hungry right now, so I just cooked one chicken breast. I seasoned it with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and Slap Your Mama seasoning, I think. Yes, Slap Your Mama. I was thinking it was some other kind of Cajun seasoning. I found this plant-powered, dairy-free Hidden Valley Ranch. It's actually good. I tasted it. My cousin sent me a picture of it. She is actually allergic to milk. So she saw this while ordering Instacart and picked it up and sent me a picture. So I got some while I was picking up the wraps, and then I'm going to put some buffalo sauce on it as well. I'm just waiting for the chicken to cook through, and I'm gonna get it fixed up. I also picked up these that I did not need at all, but they looked good, so we got them.
Changes. Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this.
The laundry room is officially back clean. Hello, Batman. I love having that table there to be able to fold the laundry on. I lost that other sock and I found it in the washer, so I threw it in the dryer for a few minutes. Still need to take those clothes somewhere and donate. I think I'm gonna take them to a church. It is finally back like I worked so hard to get it, so I'm happy about that. Thank you all for spending the day with me. I didn't get as much done as I could have, but I got done what I wanted to get done and was still able to enjoy the beautiful day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration to do something that you haven't been wanting to get done. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I will see y'all in my next video.
Taking just be